Medical science favors pregnant women talking or singing to their fetus as part of blank. Letter A, mid-natal learning. I've mentioned this kanina. Letter B, postnatal learning. Letter C, natal synchrony learning. Or letter D, prenatal learning. What is our choice? Medical science favors pregnant women talking or singing. Na I've mentioned this kanina, Mozart, Beethoven, classical music. Now this is all part of what? A, B, C, or D? Alright, tumpak na choice of course natin dito is letter D, prenatal. Now, when you say natal, childbirth. So, when you say prenatal, bago siya ipanganak, no? So, habang nasa sinapupunan ng ating pong nanay, no? Or you, bilang isang pregnant nanay, no? Kantahan mo yung inyo pong anak. Kantahan daw po ng APT. Okay? So, prenatal learning ang ating pong tumpak na choice.